Hi everyone, this is Mongol and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how I cook a delicious noodle soup. So here are the ingredients. Here I have spinach, garbanzo beans, kidney beans, ginger and garlic paste, oil, noodle. It's Persian style noodle. Get any noodles you want. Here I have green onions, tomato, jalapeno, 1.5 medium onions. Here is the dry ingredient: 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of dill, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of dry mint, and 1 Maggi cube. So stay tuned while I'm cooking. So here I have the noodles. What I do is I just cut the noodles in small pieces like so. I cut the noodle, cut the vegetables. Water in here. Alright, so the water is boiling. I'm gonna go ahead add the noodle. So I let the noodle cook. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I cook the rest of the ingredient. So I add the oil. So the onion is brown. Ginger garlic paste. Gonna let this cook for a little bit. And add the tomato. Let the tomato cook before I add other ingredients. It has been cooking 2 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead add the Maggi cube and all the spices, the dry spice, and stir it very well. Add the spinach. I'm gonna cook the spinach 1 to 3 minutes. So let this cook for 1 to 2 minutes before you add the rest of the ingredients. Add the green onions and the green chili. At this point I'm gonna go ahead add the kidney beans and the garbanzo beans. So it looks really good. I let this cook for a couple minutes before I add water. Add boiling water. I'm not going to add a lot of water because when the noodle is ready, I'm gonna pour all this inside of the noodle pot. So the noodle is ready. Add this delicious looking sauce that I made for the noodle. So you just add. You will cook together. Let this cook 6 or 7 more minutes. Alright, so this is the next step. I chopped 1 garlic, salt, sour cream, and yogurt. This is very important part. So what you do is you just mix it together. 1 glass of yogurt, you can add a half glass of sour cream. This is ready. I will show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Alright, so now this is ready. Lower the heat, let this rest it for 5 minutes, and then I will plate it. Here you go, guys. It looks very wanting. Here is the other plate. So here you go, guys. There are many different ways to make this delicious noodle soup, but this is one of the way that I make it at home. So this is ready. So what we do is we stir it. So when you stir it, it looks like this. Have an extra plate. This is how you eat it. You can put more, you can put less, the way you want it. I hope you guys like what I cooked today. So please subscribe my channel for more videos. Share it with your family and friends. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.